Hello. So this pot was a gift from one of my coworkers. He offered me two pots from bonsai that died on him, and I used one of the pots for myself. And I thought about giving him back one of the pots with a tree inside. So I used one of my Mugo pines to create a little landscape. Don't go anywhere if you want to see how I did this. Okay, so these are the pots that my colleague, my coworker offered me. This one that I already used last weekend, and this one that I'm going to return to him with a pine and some rocks. So for the substrate, what I'm going to use is some organic matter, some volcanic gravel, and Akadama. I'm going to mix all this so I have it ready. December 2024, I bought 10 Mugo Pines so I could have them for any project. And I'm going to use one of these pines to for this project here for the gift. There's some mycelium on this soil here that I want to add to the mix. I'm not going to bother you with the whole process. I'm going to speed up this part. Okay, so all the substrate is gone. I'm going to secure the tree on the pot, and I'm going to use this movement that the tree has in my advantage. I'm going to twist a little bit the top like this. So the tree is secure. And I'm going to add some moss just to protect the topsoil. And that's it. Let's see if he likes it or not. Do you think this is a good idea to return him one of the pots that he gave me with the plant inside? Okay, so have a great week. See you next weekend. Bye bye.